In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark transactions as reviewed in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Marking transactions as reviewed helps you confirm everything is correctly categorized and removes them from your review list or notifications. To do this, go to the Transactions page and use the filter to show items that need review. From there, you can simply click the checkmark icon next to a transaction to mark it as reviewed. You can also open a transaction and mark it as reviewed at the top. If you want to review multiple transactions at once, use the Edit Multiple option, select the transactions, and update the review status in bulk. For automation, you can create a rule. Go to Settings, then Rules, and set the action to mark transactions as reviewed automatically when certain conditions are met. You can also enable a setting to mark all new transactions as needing review by default, so you stay on top of your finances. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.